Hello, my beautiful friends. Guess what today came in the mail? I brought it, I opened it up, but I didn't look inside. My spiritual goodies box. So excited. Did open it because nobody wants to watch me struggle with tape. What does the card say? It says, I'm a top priority in my life. Well, that's exciting. I love this box. I was telling my friend and I, who we both love subscription boxes, I was like, this is definitely, I have 3 top ones. We box from Scotland, Goddess Provisions, and Spiritual Goodies. These are my 3 favorite boxes. All right, the April affirmation is, I'm a top priority in my life. I'm not going to read the wee little thing. It's a little oddly formatted. I don't know if they ran out of books or they had a problem with their printer or what, but that's a little strange. But I'm not going to look at that now. The cool sticker that will go on my laptop is this cluster of crystals, so that's groovy. All right, what do we have? I just want to show you how the box is so nicely presented, so you can see, you know, it's like a little holiday here. All right, we have Hairfluence Premium Hair Support Formula. I have big hair. I don't do anything to it but wash it. Put conditioner on it. Candy. Bearberry extract. Oh, with a clean finger, apply a pea size to your lips. Use fingertips to gently massage into lips. Lick away excess scrub to reveal shiny, smooth, healthy lips. It's a lip scrub. That sounds weird to me. I don't wear makeup. That sounds bizarre. What is this fancy thing? Okay, we have avocado and algae face mask. Why would I put algae on my face? I have no idea. All right, I like Spiritual Goodies. It's my favorite box, and I am sure that this box appeals to lots of people. But I don't wear makeup unless I'm doing theater. And my theater, oh, it comes with this cool little spoon, which is cool. A little paddle. That's cool. And I guess it's like weird. I don't know. It's weird. All right. What is this? I don't know. Maybe it's just silk pajamas. No idea what this is. Oh, it's a pillowcase, I think. Yes. No? Yes. Oh, it's a pillowcase. All right, well, that I like. It's got a little moon on it. That's very nice. I like that. That makes the box worth it, because I have a pillow that I can put that right on. All right. And they always have a cool crystal. So, well, I will say that this box, oh, there's more in there. Well, this box probably isn't my jam, just because I don't really use makeup, and clearly beauty is not the thing that I'm going for here. Oh, that's cool. I have no idea what it is, but super cool. It's very smooth. It's got thinking stone. We'll find out what that is. There's something else in here. Oh, there are cards. Journey Tarot Guidebook. Like a little explanation. I have no idea. Let's check out these cards, shall we? I feel like I spend my life creating micro trash. That's what I do in my life. All right, let's see what these cards say. It's not an explanation book. Oh, it has like a little book. Oh. These are interesting cards. I don't read tarot. I read oracle, but it's interesting. I'll check them out for sure. And if they're not for me, I will pass them to somebody who reads tarot. So I will say that the box is definitely worth what you pay for it. So let's be clear that I love Spiritual Goodies. And what I love about them is that every month it's something completely different. So you don't get the same things every month. But that does mean that you are going to get things that maybe don't resonate for you, because that's not how you practice your faith or your spirituality. I don't, I already take a very, I'll look into these and see. I don't really need help with my hair right now, but my mother-in-law might be able to use that. I have no idea about this superfood detox for my face. I tend not to use stuff like that. I tend not to put stuff on me. But I think it's a great pampering kit. And for many people who get this, who are into this kind of thing, I think this is going to be an amazing box for them. So even though it doesn't really resonate for me, it makes great gifts of things to pass on to people who are into this kind of thing. I think the thing that I won't use is the lip scrub because I play the bagpipes and I don't put things on my lips. But I think the thing I definitely will use is this very soft, very silky, very pink, which is my favorite color, pillowcase. So, all right, let's just look at the book real quick and see what they say these things are. All right, we have the Hair Fluid Supplement, Candy Edible Lip Scrub, Avocado Algae Face Mask. Oh, Dragon's Bloodstone. That's what it is. Ew. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. That's cool. It's the dragon's, I don't know if you can see the detail. Dragon's Blood Stone. Crystal Dreams Pillowcase. I like that. The Zend Out Journal Tarot Card Pocket Edition. There's a meditation, a spiritual teacher spotlight, which is another thing I just love about spiritual goodies is, they have like little tips and things. So like, you're always learning something. So thank you, Spiritual Goodies, for another great box. I look forward to next month's box as well. And I'm wishing you all the very best in light and love. There's a link below for you to get your own Spiritual Goodies box, see what else they have, and shop in their store. I am not an affiliate member, and I'm not sponsored by Spiritual Goodies. I am, what is that, the hair club guy. I am not only the owner, I'm a member too. Well, I don't own Spiritual Goodies, but I like their stuff. So wishing you all the best in light and love. Be well. Bye-bye.